Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Monday the 14th of November. Starting with the SPX as always, the S&P 500. These are the zones of reference that we had. We said that market was in a state of contraction, which meant that we needed to be more aware of false breaks. State of contraction is when there's not a lot of volatility in the markets, the market's tightening up. We said that resistance came in at 4,001 to 4,011 and support was at 39.45 to 39.53. So let's go and have a look at the markets today. Okay, so we're coming into the last hour of the session. As you can see, we did get a liquidity grab of the London low here, and then a reversal. This wasn't an area that I was actually looking to trade from today, though, so not really anything doing there. We did come up into the resistance zone at 4,001 to 4,011, and you can see that has acted as resistance today. Not really anything massively clear in terms of a reversal pattern on my chosen execution time frame, but if you had managed to get something from there, then you're coming down to sort of like a good place to take your profits into this zone here. So that's the S&P. Not a lot to do today, not a lot of volatility in the market at the moment, but let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so these are the zones of reference on the Dow Jones. We again mentioned about the market being in a state of contraction, with initial resistance coming in at 33,800 to 33,830, with sustained breaks above there, opening up moves to the next upside target at 34,100 to 34,150. So let's go and have a look at the Dow today. Okay, so you can see on the open here, we pushed right up into that initial resistance zone. We've got a couple of reactions from that initial resistance zone there. Nothing really. This one is probably the best signal. Actually, this one's quite a nice reversal signal. Risk reward is not great, going straight back into yesterday's close, the London highs, and also that zone there. The risk reward is not great, so very tricky trade to take. We then came back up. Done a bit of a liquidity grab of yesterday's high and then pushed back lower. There is a risk reward there on that one, but not the greatest signal. So not really anything that I can say I would think you should be doing there, certainly not as per my plan. We then pushed higher and we have got the acceptance back above this initial resistance zone, so we could potentially push higher up into this zone. We have actually reacted from this 33,950 to 33,990 zone, hopefully if you had got long on this, then you are booking some profits, at least some, if not the majority of your profits from that zone there. We have now just started to get back below that initial resistance zone, so if that price action continues, then this could be a false break on the higher time frames, and we could be heading lower. So this zone may be quite key again tomorrow as to whether we go and push higher or head back down, but we'll update you with the zones and the new analysis tomorrow before the market opens. So hope you find the reports useful. If you haven't already, please join the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. Please also come subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's completely free to join our Keyzone service, and you get these reports and the recaps before the market opens, and the recaps as well after the market shuts to show you how you could have benefited and profited from these reports. So as always, please let me know how you're getting on. I hope you had a great start to the week, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.